Ni hao. Hello guys, welcome to Food Crunch with Phyllis. As usual, I'm your host Phyllis Boache. Today we are going to make sauce. Yes, this sauce has its origin from China, but then we are going to make our own sauce with a twist. So stay tuned. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for all the support you guys have been giving me. And also like and also share to your friends. Guys, this sauce is mwah. So try it at home. Eat it with noodles, indomie, or rice, any type of rice. Be creative, okay? And enjoy eating it as well. So please, if you are new to the channel, kindly show me some love and some support by subscribing. Also share with your friends as well. And also come back and view more videos. See you soon. Bye.